Not too much though. Oh, that was nice. Inside line, yes. Hairpin. Cut back. Here we go. Oh, that was nice. Fend him off. Cut back. I was trying to get the cut back. So guys, we got this. What is the biggest enemy of these trucks? Heat. It's a hot day, hottest day in the UK here so far. So we've also put on our trucks these side guards. And a few people have mentioned, is it going to make the trucks run hotter? Which we find out. Green truck has not got any on, and the blue truck has. We've got upgraded fans in both, but they're the same upgraded fans, so it's a like for like comparison. We'll do a temperature check now to see what they're both at. 35 on that one. That one's just a fraction hotter at say 39. So we're looking at between 35 and 40 is the standard temperature. Let's give them some hell, see what they're like after that. Right, let's give it a go.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
I can accelerate off the line with a standard motor. Oh, can't drive it still. Oh, he's donated.
Oh, I had it lovely until I didn't.
I got a bit confused with where I was going to be going, if I'm honest.
Badlands. Oh, up there. I forgot where I was going.
Oh, fast corner around there.
How's your standard motor feeling?
Oh, lovely.
Better than those 1100 things then.
But it just works lovely. Whoa. I'm driving it now. No lariness from the green truck.
You might be winning this. I don't catch them up soon.
I nearly tried to flick it in there, but that wasn't going to happen.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, that was close.
Wow, that was good. Let's do another race before we check temperatures.
Right, ready?
And dust. Yeah.
Oh, it's got me off the line.
I've got the lead. Let's try and keep it. Whoa,
I'm going to cut the inside. There's an inside line.
Hi, Martin
Yes. Nice. Oh.
Oh.
I'll wait for him. Not too much though.
Thanks.
Oh, that was nice.
Yes. That was stylish. Backwards.
Backing it in there nicely. Here we go.
I love that drift there. That's great.
I think he may have got the... Oh, we might have caught the toe.
I was a bit concerned.
Yes,
there.
I'm a
I just
bit
nearly
close
stepped
to you
off
there.
the podium.
He's got this one, I think. Try to back it in.
Ah, evens it up. Let's come in for a temperature check. Right.
So that is after 4 hard laps.
Yeah, there's a lot of throttle being used.
Very, very much. Well, lots and lots, right.
Okay.
So I don't know if you'll be able to see, so you have to take my word for it. Well, the heat sink is no different, it's 38. So this is actually no heat,
right.
no heating to that at all.
Okay. And also the dust, let's see.
Definitely cleaner, definitely cleaner. And yours has gone up, well, yours is about 38.
Okay, all right.
So actual fact, I think they've both gone about 3 degrees, so there's not a massive difference.
All right, let's carry on.
Get your body shell on, I'll stick mine on.
Nice, but...
Go on then, you ready?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, hang on. We've got the fast corner first, haven't we? Or we're going to hairpin first?
Yeah, fast corner first.
Fast corner first, just so I know. Right.
Yeah.
Nothing off the line. Inside line, yes. Hairpin. Cut back. Throwing up from the blue truck nearly.
I didn't like those guys
No.
anyway, they're gone.
Back into this
Right,
hairpin
another
here.
hairpin. Had to go round him.
Yeah,
Got in
go
the way.
around me.
Oh, understeer.
I just playing the dirt.
What happened over there? I didn't see that one being... Whoa.
That might have been me.
It's only a 2-lap race. You haven't got long to catch up.
Oh, I'm trying to fend him off.
That was good.
Cut back.
Oh, I was trying to be neat.
I was trying to get the cut back. Here we go, into the dust. Should we get him? Oh, some nice drift there, yeah. Hey.
Oh, keep going.
I was on the
cone,
brake.
round the cone. That's it.
Well, that's almost a dead heat.
It was. Almost, but not quite dead.
Yeah. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm a bit on the dust, but let's see what happens. No, he's got to drive off the line. But it's an inside line. Oh. Sorry, I went the wrong side of that cone.
Ah, fair enough.
I've got a fight in the eye now. Ah. Here we go. Oh, that was nice. Just a slight touch of a clone. Cone even.
Lumpy over there, taking it easy.
Here we go. That was going to be a big accident if we'd have collected each other there. Right, inside here.
This is close.
Inside here. No, it's understeer. He's got it. He's got it. Unless he spoons it up here. Oh!
Well, that was... You lifted off to save a crash, thanks.
I backed off there because we were going to crash.
That was basically a dead heat.
That was...
All right, well, that's another 2 races. Let's check temperatures.
That was close. We know these trucks get hot.
Oh, yeah. And on a day like today...
It's really hot.
Really hot.
Really, really hot.
All right, then.
Right, so green...
Look at them sucking the crap into your vents.
Exactly.
That's why you need more vents.
You haven't got any of that.
Well, a little bit on the back, look, nothing
Oh,
else.
that's a bit loose.
What you got?
It's about 40. So it doesn't feel... No, it's not too bad.
Okay.
And your one, if I can get down to it, it's difficult to get a good reading. Yours is 42.
Okay.
But yours started off a fraction hotter, I think. But I mean, you're talking negligible.
But also, yeah, that actually is still completely acceptable. So you would expect it to be slightly warmer, but in terms of cleanliness, I don't know if there's a huge difference, but there's no rocks that are going to get through.
Right. Again. 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Here's the fast corner, yeah?
Yes.
Just checking.
Yes.
Nothing in it off the line. Oh, here we go. Up to the fast hairpin. Fast hairpin? No such thing, is there? Oh, quarter tone.
Oh, I don't know what line I'm on, but it's not a racing
There was
line.
no lines there.
That was nice.
So I'm cut back. Can we cut back? Oh, there's some slides going on from the blue truck. Oh, 4-wheel drift.
Oh, you can see some carnage. He's done. He's losing this one. I can ease off. Go for style.
Yeah, we think he's got this one.
Oh,
We can't afford the donut. No, we've done another donut.
Winning.
Right, let's get one more then, shall we?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. We came right off the gas there.
We both backed off then.
Oh, X-Maxes. Gotta love them. Barging me through.
Breeze past, that's quite nice.
There we go.
Dusty hairpin. Oh!
Like that. I'll take it.
Of course, I've got no TSM.
Oh, come on.
So your own drop. Oh, it's a nasty bump down there now.
There is. That's why I go slow.
Here we go. Past corner. 4-wheel slide. Oh, cone.
Oh, what a handsome.
Oh, donut again.
Got him. Take it easy. Don't fall over. Nice.
Now I think now with the dust,
Yes.
I need a bit of TSM.
So yeah, because I don't need that. Yeah, yours is on the edge all the time. Mine's stable. Sideways, it's still stable.
But have you got any TSM on it?
Of course, about 30%.
Yes, I've got no TSM.
Well, that's up to you. I reckon you can put the other stuff back in now.
I may have to go back.
Here we go, final check.
Right then, so now, okay, that one's gone up to 52, 54. Now I know we're only measuring it on the heatsink, but it's a like for like. And this one, where are we? It's 46. So in actual fact, that one's slightly hotter.
It's got to be within just variables.
There's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it. So these are not making any difference at all to the airflow. You've still got this big gap. You've still got this big gap here.
Huge gap.
And if you think, this is all at the back of the truck anyway, so it doesn't really make much difference. So no effect to the temperature of the truck.